Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate FuboTV on LG TV step by step clearly. To activate FuboTV on your LG TV, start by ensuring your TV is connected to the internet. Turn on your LG TV and navigate to the home screen. Use your remote to open the LG Content Store. In the search bar, type in FuboTV and hit enter. Locate the FuboTV app in the search results. Select the app and choose Install to download it to your TV. Once the installation is complete, open the FuboTV app. You will see an activation code displayed on your screen. On a separate device, open a web browser and go to FuboTV.com/activate. Sign in or create a new FuboTV account if prompted. Enter the activation code from your LG TV into the designated field. Click the Activate button to proceed. Once activated, return to your LG TV. The app will automatically refresh, and you should be logged into your FuboTV account. Now, you can start enjoying your favorite shows and live sports on FuboTV. If you encounter any issues, try restarting your TV and repeating the activation steps. Make sure your TV's software is up to date to avoid compatibility problems. Enjoy your streaming experience on FuboTV. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.